The way Bluetooth works is actually crazy. In simple terms, it's just a way for two devices to talk wirelessly to each other in short distances. But you can't see this. Why? Because these are radio waves.
If it was visible, it would fall here on the electromagnetic spectrum. But radio waves are here.
So when you're listening to Spotify on earphones, what is happening?
Your phone chops music into packets, tags them with the right address, and sends them as a long series of ones and zeros.
But it's not literal ones or zeros, it's sending waves. So how does earphones know what is zero and what is one?
Let's take a simple example of a police siren.
We could assign zeros and ones depending on the pitch. In the same way, in Bluetooth, one way to do this with radio waves is assigning zeros and ones based on frequency. Higher frequency is 1, lower frequency is 0. What's important here is that your smartphone antenna generates this carrier wave with data. So your phone can communicate millions of ones and zeros every second to your earbuds. Now radio waves are here in the 2.4 GHz band, which is like a public highway of wireless signals with 79 lanes. Each of these lanes are called channels.
All the Bluetooth devices are on these channels.
Now 79 channels might sound like a lot, but remember, your wireless mouse, keyboard, microwave, earphone, smartwatch, iPad, speakers, Wi-Fi router, smart home cleaners, our sound system, they're all using the same highway. But here's when things get interesting. If you're listening to Spotify on your earphones, the earphones and phone need to be on the same channel to talk to each other. But there's a problem. With everyone shouting at the same pitch, 2.4 GHz, how do these two devices know exactly which channel to be on and when? That's where Bluetooth gets clever. When your phone pairs with your earphones, they agree on a shared hopping pattern, like two spies using the same codebook. We'll talk on channel 1 for a few milliseconds, then jump to channel 50, then hop to channel 23, and they keep switching 1600 times a second. That's right. While you're casually nodding to your playlist, your gadgets are breakdancing through channels faster than your brain can process. But wait, does that mean they never bump into other devices on this crowded highway? No, it can still happen. But even when collisions happen, they're moving together, so even if they're crashing into someone else's conversation, they quickly hop away to a new channel. But you might ask, how do the earphones know to pick up the right signal from your phone and not your smartwatch? Because ultimately, they're all radio waves. That's true. But every device has a unique address, and packets carry this identifier, so it goes to the right device. But what we talked about so far is classic Bluetooth.
There's also Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE, which works slightly differently and is more efficient.
Think about this the next time you're using Bluetooth.